going on, guys? It is Saturday, the 22nd of April, and it's about 68 degrees outside. Didn't really have much planned for this weekend. Go get something to eat, because the weather is real bad. Not bad, but it isn't good. But yep, I'm finna head out, sign some passes, and
es fanática de lo sensual. Ella tiene una foto mía y ya me la puedo imaginar. Lo que hace cuando está solita, pero no le voy a preguntar. Y escuchar su voz cuando se agita, por su manera de respirar. Puedo imaginarme lo que está haciendo. Si le hablo malo se pone intranquila. Pasa su mano por todo su cuerpo cuando le digo todo lo que él haría. Puedo imaginarme lo que está haciendo. Y eso que solo es una foto mía.
Alright, y'all, we just got done eating Los Banditas. It was good. Shout out to the waiter. He served us very well. It was well cooked. It was pretty good. But now we're up at Walmart. We really ain't got nothing planned. We ain't got to get anything. We're just gonna go do some stupid shit and bring y'all along for it. Let's go.
Wipe me now. You got that treat and I like it now. I guarantee that she like me now. Ain't got no time for no wifey now. Wipe me down, wipe me down, wipe me down. I guarantee that she like me now. Ain't got no time for no wifey now. I think that bitch is too choosy, and I think that bitch is too bougie. I need a woman who love me like Lucy and fuck me like groupies. She think I'm playing some games, and I think she playing the same ones. I'm with my day ones, I got my change up. Trust me that we never changed up. She think I'm here for the longest, and I'm only here for the moments. She from the city, that north side. She know with me to be cautious. All of my exes keep bitching. I changed my number, they stress me out. I wish a motherfucker come with me. I wish a motherfucker try me now. I got the time. I guarantee that she love me now. I got the time. Wipe me down, wipe me down, wipe me down. I guarantee that she love me now. I got no time. Wipe me down, wipe me down, wipe me down. You got that treat and I like it now. I guarantee that she like me now. Ain't got no time for no wifey now. Wipe me down, wipe me down, wipe me down. I guarantee that she like me now. Ain't got no time for no wifey now. Ain't got no time for no wifey now. Ain't got no time for no wifey now.
Alright guys, our day got cut short due to a tornado warning. The weather's fine, but I just don't get it. So we're gonna try again tomorrow, go do something, and that's that. Peace.